The presence of this plant in your home attracts money as a magnet. Amazing! Crassula ovata is thought to be the only plant of money. But it is not so. There are many other plants that also attract money. Today we are going to talk about the Sansevieria trifasciata. It is the perfect plant to put in a corner of your house and does not require much water or light. It is very efficient at absorbing carbon dioxide in the air and boosts oxygen at night, while other plants do it by day. So it could be a good accessory for your bedroom. A legend from Japan says that this plant can grant you a lot of money. It is very similar to the jade coins which, on the other hand, symbolize wealth and prosperity. This plant is very common in workplaces of business owners, and it has become a tradition to give it away so that businesses can do well. The principles of Chinese medicine say that this plant attracts wealth because it radiates positive energy and, therefore, has a positive impact on life in general, especially in the area of business. According to Chinese medicine, this plant gives money and fortune because it is well-rooted and its vibrant energy symbolizes new growth. This plant is also called money plant, and is considered to produce good vibrations and generates prosperity to entrepreneurs. In China, this plant symbolizes good luck, so it is ideal as a gift for prosperity, wealth and fortune in a new home. In case you want to visit a couple newlyweds or a business opened, this plant is ideal as a gift. This money plant increases your bank account, will help you pay the mortgage, credits or debts. If you want to attract money, buy this plant and put it in your home. It does not matter where you put it. And the more plants you have, the more money you'll attract.